Okay, what's up everybody? It's Danny with 4Serve Integration again, and this is the final segment of our Invisible Speaker series. And as you can see, as I told you in the earlier video, the wall was going to be painted, and voila, the speakers have completely disappeared. They are in fact invisible, as we told you. And Steve, if you can give me a little bit more volume on that, sir. And as you can probably tell, they sound absolutely phenomenal. Now, there's not really a lot to see in this video because there's nothing here, right? So we've got invisible speakers. The main thing we want you to take from this is the great audio, despite the fact that you can't see anything behind the drywall. So again, these were cut into the drywall and then they were mudded over. The mud is sanded down to blend in seamlessly with the wall, and then the wall is painted, and that's where we are. So again, this is the Invisible Series speakers from Sonance. They're called the IS8s. So if you're interested in these, please hit us up on Facebook, on Instagram, on our website at 4servellc.com. You can schedule a free consultation, and we'd love to talk to you about getting some of these in your house or in your place of business, either one. They're great for both distributed audio and for a home theater.